So that's the second phrase, measure 5 through measure 8, and I stopped on the downbeat of 9. This is what we call a sequence in music, where you take the same melodic shape, dee-da-da-da-da-da-da, and then you transpose that over and over again. So you're not playing the same notes, but you're playing the same shape. And that's helpful to help you kind of memorize it and get around the notes, because you're not going to want to be looking at the music. In this one, this is a very difficult piece to play accurately, which I'm finding out as I'm trying to make these recordings, where I really need to have it just memorized before I can really truly be accurate. So understanding how the sequence works will help you get those memorized faster. Okay? So the first thing you hear is dee da 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 da, and then it literally does it again, but starting on a D flat this time. And then it does it a third time, starting on a B flat. Okay, with a little alteration. So there's a double stroke at the end there. Right, left. And the goal is to make sure that that does not sound like right, left. That it just sounds like you just kept alternating through. You're not going to do that. So there's a crescendo going on underneath this, and one way to think of a crescendo when you're playing a sequence is each step of the sequence gets a little bit louder. And then I just crescendo from there. Kind of like that. And then we repeat the first two steps, again with more added dynamics. First time forte, second time piano, so this is a sudden dynamic change. And then from there, we have a new sequence here. So there's a little gap in there. Be-ya-da-da, ba-da-da-da. There's a gap in that one. Ba-da-da-da. And if you think in terms of your key signature, your A flat major, that will help you remember those notes. If you remember that pattern, skip one, step, step. Skip one, step, step. Skip one, step, step. And then it's just moving down in the A flat scale. So that's an easy one for me to just get up in my head right away, because I can explain it in 2 words, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's basically it. There's a crescendo there at the end and another double stroke at the end of the second sequence, and then we start the next phrase a little bit softer with the left hand there on the C. So let's try all this one together at a little slower speed here. So starting soft. Louder. And I don't know if you noticed that, but as soon as I got to, the beginning of measure 8, my eyes went off the page and down to the keyboard, because just having played this not a whole lot of times, I know that I'm not going to be accurate if I'm trying to play this phrase, particularly while looking at the music. So again, get it memorized, understand what the pattern is. Okay, just make it easier for yourself. Get it memorized. All right, here we go. One more time.